Hello everyone, I'm going to show you today how to download Everything, the program by Void Tools. This program is very useful if you want to be very efficient in searching for your files and folders, very specific ones, like in your folders, in your PC. So if I want to, let's say, search for a very specific folder, let's say I have a folder, so if we try to search for it in Windows search, it can get it, but it can be a little slow sometimes. So my grocery list, and sometimes it can't get it at all, just like this. So I am pretty sure I named it as my grocery list. If we go ahead and check my grocery list, I can even copy it, search, I can go documents, web, all, and there it is. So that actually took long. So yeah, that's why I don't usually use Windows search. But if you use this app, Everything, you type my grocery list and there it is. Instantly pops up, and then you just click enter and it just opens the app for you. This is what the main use of this app for. First of all, go to your preferred browser, then type in voidtools.com and you'll see this website. So if you are on a Windows, click on download installer 64-bit. If you don't have 64-bit, you can just download installer. But in my case, I have a Windows and 64-bit, so I'm going to click on this and then save it wherever you want. I'm going to save mine in the downloads folder. Shouldn't take long. And then once you're done, click on the file and then just complete this setup and make sure you know where you're putting it, the root folder. And over here you can keep this as it is. You don't have to change any of these configurations. Click next, and then I'm probably going to change this. I'm just going to disable install start menu shortcuts, but you can actually leave this as it is. And then click on install and then click yes. So the program now finished installing, and then you can click finish and it should run. And it's going to take a few seconds at the beginning to actually index all the files in your computer. Over here it's actually telling you the status, and there we go. So yeah, as you can see over here at the status bar, you can see that there's this much files in your PC, and right now I have 1,500,000 which is a crazy number. Anyways, this software is very useful to search for your files and folders very efficiently without using Windows search, which is right here. And you can also make this so it's you don't have to always, open it. Like let's say you want to open it, you just type everything and open it, but you can actually set up a command, a hotkey, so you can click on it and then open it whenever you want, as like a quick search type of thing. So the first thing you want to do is on the top bar, navigate to tools and then click on options, and then in this screen click on keyboard, and then over here are your shortcuts. There's different variations to this, and you can actually hover over the text box to see what each one does. For example, the new window hotkey, press a new keyboard shortcut to create a new search window. So this creates a new window every time you do it. So for example, I'm going to use Control-Shift-P for this, and then click on apply, and then OK. So I'm going to just close this, Control-Shift-P, Control-Shift-P. As you can see, it just creates new instances every time, which is not very ideal, but you can use it if you want. The second method is show window hotkey. So this, if a search window doesn't exist, a new window is created. So this is the convenient one that I would use. So if we would try it out, let's close it. So this time, let's just try it out with it opened actually. If we try it, it's not going to do anything because it's already existing. So it's just showing it. So if, let's say I had a folder open, like folder, if I click Control-Shift-P, it's just going to put it on top, which is very convenient. And let's say I close it, it just creates it. That's what it does. And yeah, so it doesn't, so it reduces the amount of instances and doesn't create duplicate software. And the last one, which you can use if you want, it just, if a search window does not exist, a new window is created. And that's basically, it just toggles between it. So it's similar to the show window. So if we try it out, let's try it out with it already existing. So it actually toggles between them. So if it's open and you click your hotkey, Control-Shift-P or whatever you have, it just closes it. If it's closed, then it's gonna open when you click it. And yep, you can use that if you want to always use the same hotkey for closing and opening the program, which is very good, and I would recommend using it too. But the one that I use is show window, and I'm going to put mine on this one. So if you want to learn just one extra hotkey, which I usually use for closing, like let's say you don't want to use Control-Shift-P to toggle between this every time. You can just use Control-W, which is used to always close it. To close basically every program, even this folder, you can use Control-W. And yeah, that's about it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.